What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we are Wednesday, Feb 25, and today I just passed every single account on Take Profit, right? Now there's one thing remaining, and it's 2 more trading days. So Thursday and Friday I'll trade for $1 and they will be passed. Now, super easy. I told you guys, I started them Monday and they're already passed, right? So that's done. Now we have one thing to worry about, and it's gonna be Monday. Once I receive my funded accounts, I have to get the intraday drawdown, but I'll treat it as a regular eval, and yeah, we'll see. Either I'll actually get it or I'll have to restart. Regardless, this whole month was beautiful, and I'm glad I had 10 accounts and I capitalized on them for about 2.5 weeks. So yeah. So yeah, the month is gonna end. So for this month, my total payout, well, my biggest profit month, 46,500 straight in the bank account, right? So that's my biggest month as of right now. Hopefully March, I actually make 100k, right? It's possible. If I made 50 in about 2 weeks, now if I restart from the beginning, it's actually possible. And if they don't move me live, right? Now let's get into the recap. So that was the trade for today right there. If you guys didn't check it out, check out the short. I just posted a short. Here's the profit. On the short, I passed every single account. This account needed $20 more, so I just took a little trade for $20. Or should I say, I just opened a position for $20. Okay, let's get into the recap. Today, from 9, we just kept pumping, right? Perfect. So now we already took London high. There's no previous day high, no nothing, right? Perfect. Let's go on the 4-hour. What can I see? Well, now I need to start marking stuff, right? So we have this buy side right there. What else can I see? We have this 4-hour gap, right? Very important. We go on the hourly. Perfect. Can I see anything else? Not really. Perfect. So let's just use logic, right? Alright. Here, let me just mark this. This is the end of this 4-hour bearish. Perfect. Market open, what do we do? Bang! We just straight pump, right? Perfect. We keep pumping, right? Perfect. Now, on the higher time frame, what can I see? Well, as of right now, I am looking for a bullish setup, 100%, right? Why would I try to predict a reversal if I can just follow the trend, right? Perfect. So this is the 4-hour gap. I'll just remove it and leave the close of it in a way. Perfect. What else can I see? We have this 1 minute fair value gap right there. It's aligned with my setup, and this 1 minute right there, right? It is in my time to trade. Yes, perfect. Now 9:48, we came into my 1 minute bullish fair value gap, and then what? We closed above, right? Not only that, this 4-hour, I'm seeing that we are inversing it, right? So perfect. So what's the context? We just kept pumping, follow the trend, perfect. We are in a continuation. I can remove this. We have a valid fair value gap right there. A respected fair value gap, whatever. Perfect. This 4-hour bearish fair value gap just got inversed in a way. We took it, we're not respecting it, right? Perfect. So what am I waiting for? a retrace. 957, we get this retrace. Exactly. I legit got 0 drawdown. Then bang. Full TP, 2 minutes later. I wish I was on my live accounts, guys. My live account, my funded account. 2 minutes and hitting TP and being done with the day. Wow. Oh yeah, whatever. Anyway, so bang, I hit TP. Now, what can I see? We created this new buy side right there. So let's say my TP was higher or for any reason something else, right? We are respecting now this buy side, so I should close what's it called? My trades, right? Because I don't have higher buy side I can aim for unless this, but this is way too far anyway. We are respecting this new one that we made, and look what's gonna happen. We push down, right? Simple as that. So for example, if I didn't get into a trade and this was the trade, no, it's just logic. You see this happening, are we gonna take this? No, right? So I mean, basically that was the only entry right there. Personally, I think that was the optimal trade, 957. After that, nothing else. But yeah, that was the recap for today. Very easy trade. Like, subscribe, guys. Super easy. We passed all the accounts. We made profit in 2 minutes on eval. And now I guess I'll go sleep. Whatever. I'll see you guys tomorrow.